Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty of Allah. Today we will our topic is our subject is English, and today we will do the English practice worksheet for the second unit test. Okay, look at this. Question number 1, trace the following. Okay, trace the following. You have to trace the letters N, O, P, Q, R, S. Number 2, cross the small letters for the given capital letter. You have to make a cross the small letters from the given capital letter. You have to cross these out. Whichever the small letters you found, you have to make a cross. You can see the videos also what teacher has been taught. Now, question number 3. Question number 3. Match the following capital letter with the small letter. You have to match the capital letters. Look at this. You have to match the capital letters with the small letter. It's a capital N. You have to match the small n. Okay. Whatever it is there, you have to learn with the sound. It will be more fun to do this practice worksheet. It will be more enjoyable for you. So whatever you will do, you should learn with the sound. Okay, it will be more fun for you. Now, question number 4, match the alphabet with the pictures. Here it has been given the letters. Okay, alphabet it has been given. You have to match. First one, see, capital N. And for nose, here it has been given nose. So you have to match with the nose only. Now, see, here it has been given capital Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Here it has been given the queen. So you have to match with the queen. Now coming towards the next. Question number 5. Question number 5 is what? Copy and write. Whatever the letters it has been given, you have to copy the same only. Okay, finger. Okay, this finger and these fingers are both the same. Okay, so in this way, it's a capital O. You have to write the same letter, that is a capital O. If any letter has been given, if it has been given capital R, you have to write the same letter. Now, question number 6, tick the correct letter from the given pictures. What you have to make a tick. Look at this. Here it has been given the tick. Now you have to match, tick it. Now, fine. Number 1, the first one is nest. The first one is nest. So you have to tick. It's a capital N, capital P, and capital Q. Nest come from which letter? N sound. So N sound which come from letter N. Letter N. In this way, you have to take you have to see the pictures and you have to take it. This is a second unit test practice worksheet of subject English. Okay. Question 1. Look at this. Question 1. Trace the following. Trace the following. What you have to do? You have to trace this alphabet. You have to trace this alphabet. Well, you have to do it with the pencil. Hold the pencil here and take a tracing of capital N. Okay, and a small n. Okay, now the next one is capital O and small o. What you have to do, you have to trace this alphabets. It's a capital O and small o. Next one is capital P and small p. Capital P and small p. Then one is capital Q and small q. Okay, the next one is capital R and small r. You have to trace with the pencil. This one is capital S and small s. It's a trace the following. Trace the following. What you have to trace capital N small n, capital O small o, capital P small p, capital Q small q, capital R small r, and capital S and small s. Now coming to the next question. Question number 2. Cross the small letters from the given capital letters. Okay, here it is a cross. How to do the cross? See, look at this, the first question, first one. It's a capital N. Here also it's a capital N. Here also it is not a capital N. It's a small n. Here also capital N. So what you have to cross. First you have to make a slanting line in this way and another slanting line in this way. First left slanting line, then right slanting line. Okay. The next question is capital T, small t, capital T and small t. Which one is a small one? This one is a small one. So you have to make a cross. Okay, you have to make a X. The next one is O. It's a capital O, and this one is a small o. So you have to make a cross here. The next one is capital R. This one is small r, capital R and capital R. So you have to do the cross in this capital R. First you have to make slanting line, one slanting line and another slanting line. The next one is capital Q. This one is small q. Okay, and this one is capital Q. You have to make a slanting line in this way, a slanting line in this way. Now this number 3, what is that? Match the following capital letter with a small letter. Match the following capital letter with a small letter. So here it has been given all capital letters: N, capital N, capital P, capital Q, capital R, capital S and capital T. Okay, here it has been given small t, small s, small r, small q, small p and small n. So you have to match capital to small. It's a capital N, so you have to match the capital N to the small n. Okay, make a line here. The next one is capital P. You have to match the capital P with the small p. The next one is capital Q. You have to match the capital Q with the small q. The next one is capital R. You have to match capital R with the small r. The next one is capital S. You have to match capital S with the small s. The next one is capital T. You have to match capital T with the small t. Now coming to the next question, question number 4. Match the alphabet with pictures. What you have to do? You have to match the alphabet with the pictures. Here it has been given all the capital letters. Okay, what is this? N. N for nose. You have to match this nose here. See, it is N for nose. The next letter is what? O. What is the sound of O? O for orange. Can you find this orange? Here, it is an orange. O for orange. The next one is P. What is the sound of P? P sound. P for pencil. Look at here. Here it is pencil, it is there. So P for pencil. Next one is Q. Next one is Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. This is Q for queen. What is the sound of Q? Q sound. Okay. The next one is R. Next one is R. R for the rose. R for the rose. Next one is S. The next one is S. S for sun. S for sun. S for sun. The next one is T. What is the sound of T? T sound. So T for tree. T for tree. So this is the letters. You have to match the letters with the pictures. First one is N for nose. O for orange. P for pencil. Q for queen. R for the rose. S for sun. T for tiger. Now coming towards the next page, question number 5. Okay, question number 5, copy and write. What you have to do? You have to copy it. The first letter is capital O. Here it has been capital O, so you have to make here also a capital O with the pencil. The next letter is capital P. all what you have to do with the pencil only, not with the crayons. It's a capital P. Here also you have to write capital P. The next one is capital R. Capital R. What you have to do? You have to write here a capital R. The next one is S. Capital S. Here also you have to write the same capital S. Now, question number 6. Tick the correct letter from the given pictures. Okay. Tick the correct letters from the given picture. Number 1. What is this? It is a nest. It is a nest. Okay. Here it has been given the alphabet N, P, Q. So, nest comes from which letter? N. No. So, nest comes from nest. So, you have to make a tick. First, you have to make a slide. The next one is you have to make a tick. Straight, little bit a slanting line and a big slanting line. The next one is rat. The next one is, which picture it is? It is a rat. So, rat comes from which sound? R sound. It's the sound. So, the sound comes from R. So, here it has been given capital A, capital R and capital T. So, it's a capital R. R is for the rat. The next one is tap. The next one is tap. Tap came from which sound? T sound. So, T sound comes here. It's a capital T. So, look at it. Where is it a T? It's a T? No. It is a T? No. It is a T. So, you have to tick here. The next one is pen. Pen sounds came from P sound. So, can you please find which sounds come from the P? Oh, very good. It's a P sound. P for P. Pen. The next one is, fifth question is ship. Next one is ships. Ships came from which sound? E sound? No. E sound? No. So it comes from S sound. It is an S. So you have to make a tick here. In this way we have completed the practice worksheet. Second, with this practice worksheet of subject English, you have to practice at home with the help of your parent. Assignment. There is an assignment. Do the English practice worksheet at your home with the help of your parent. We will give you the PDF form of the English practice worksheet and you have to do it at home with the help of your parent. Now, Jazakumullahu khair. Allah Hafiz. Love you too. Take care. Hope you enjoy this session.